Imagine you need asking about laundry service in everyday English. Today, you will learn asking about laundry service with useful sentences you can say in real life. The pattern is simple. Use one short, direct sentence for the situation, then add the important detail. Notice the keywords, then add your own detail. Here are 3 examples. I need some help, please. Could you explain that again? Thank you, that helps. Let's test what we've learned. Which sentence is useful in this situation? Option 1. I need some help, please. Option 2. I say thing good. The best answer is, I need some help, please. The correct sentence is clear and polite for everyday English. Let us recap. Use one short, direct sentence for the situation, then add the important detail. Practice this sentence, I need some help, please. Say it once, then change one detail.